cut out all my pattern pieces. Why was that so dusty? It looks like an actual top.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine Marie and I make videos here on YouTube all about fashion, beauty, and design. In this video, I wanted to try to recreate curtains into an outfit. So these curtains pictured here, I got them for $8.99 and I'm so excited to see if I could come out with a whole entire outfit showing that you can thrift flip anything.
Hello everyone and welcome to my humble abode. And I just went into my pattern stash and I found this one. I'm in love with this top that she's wearing. I feel like it would be perfect for the curtains DIY. I'm so excited. And I just want to say this is my first official time really using a pattern. I used to get super frustrated using patterns because I just felt like they were super confusing. Now I'm super excited because I feel like I've advanced my skills a bit more and I feel more comfortable and confident trying to use patterns. So I'm so excited to try to use this one. Let's get started. All right, I think I am barely gonna have enough fabric to finish this DIY. I should have got 2 curtains because I don't know if I'm gonna have enough fabric. We're gonna try to make it work. I'm going to cut out the pieces. I hope this works because I feel like this outfit's gonna be so cute, but I gotta see if I have enough fabric. So I'm gonna start cutting and then we'll see. We'll see what we got. Y'all, I'm so happy I was able to get all of my pattern pieces. I was able to make all the pieces for a top and a circle skirt. I got a little nervous for a minute there, but I got all the pieces. It is about 10:30 p.m. right now. I'm clearly in my pajamas and I think I'm gonna call it a night. Tomorrow I will start back up with piecing this baby together. I'm so excited to start putting it all together. I hope I cut out everything correctly. I feel like I did. We'll see. That's the fun thing about sewing. You just gotta keep practicing and keep doing it until you learn. So I'm super excited and I will be back tomorrow to start putting these pieces together. Bye. Hello and welcome to day 2 of our upcycle thrift flip transformation project. I cut out all my pattern pieces. Why was that so dusty? I cut out all my pattern pieces and now I'm gonna start putting them together today. I'm super excited because I actually want to try to finish this project today. That's what I'm hoping to do. I just went to Joann's and I got 2 zippers for the top and the skirt, and then I picked up some really cute thread that I feel like closely matches the fabric. It was the closest match I could find. Let's start putting this top together. Oh, forgot to mention, I'm not doing a lining. Don't kill me, people that sew. The next projects that I do, hopefully I'll make more time to actually fully complete it and put lining and everything. But for this one, I'm on a time crunch. I only have a day. We're not going to do lining. All right, y'all. Let's get started. That took me a while. That took me a while to actually put the clothing pieces together. I was so confused. So basically the pattern I was using, you still had to adjust the fabric after cutting the pattern out, and I did not know that. So I was sitting there like, why are these pattern pieces going together? I still had to cut and adjust the fabric to fit correctly. It looks like an actual top. To my design studio, which is in my closet. After 5 long hours, honestly, it's probably been 6 hours, my top is finally complete. No lining, remember? Yes! Yes! Can you believe this was a curtain? No, no. The skirt shouldn't take me as long, fingers crossed, because it's a circle skirt and I don't have enough time to sew the bottom, so I'm just gonna leave like the edges out, and it doesn't look bad. I honestly kind of like it. Top is done. Gonna work on the skirt. I'll check back in. I finally finished the skirt, y'all. Yay! Yay! Stay tuned for the next clip if you want to see how this whole look comes together.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I feel like this thrift flip came out so cool, so awesome. I'm still getting the hang of like using patterns and really getting comfortable with making clothes in my size. So I'm just excited to keep learning and keep growing my sewing skills. Stay tuned for more videos like this coming soon. If you all like this thrift flip video, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to keep up with me, I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at the Charmaine Marie. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!